Hey guys, what's up? freinds.For here, welcome to new video. In my last video I talked with you about some tantalum sell on internet, and one of my subscriber, boring old guy, is give me idea to make a video about SMD tantalum capacitor and silver content in it. Last week I sell half kilogram yellow SMD tantalum, and I sell half kilogram black SMD tantalum for $15, so $30 per kilogram. And right now I have one batch here in my workshop, half kilogram black SMD tantalum, and today I'm gonna try to recover silver from it. Stay with me and see what I have on my mind for today, okay? Okay guys, so here in this little box I have half kilogram black SMD tantalum with a plus on it or without plus on it, never mind, it's practical, is the same. But what I'm gonna do, let's try. I got steel bucket, that in bucket, and I'm gonna put that on a pyrolysis, so I will burn that until all the plastic will get crunchy. Look at that, we got some little IT there. So let's burn that. Okay guys, I burned that, still hot. Now I'm gonna leave that cold, and after that I will just little crush that stuff to expose content from the inside, okay? Okay guys, and you see that after I crushed that I got some leaves from the inside. So the basically tantalum is not in the square form in this stuff. Let's look that I got some leaves there. See that? Like it's a metal. It is a metal, but in the leaves form, and it's crunchy. So this way I will not success to recover any tantalum anodes, but we go further for silver content to see, of course just for a test purpose, to see how much silver I can get from half kilogram of black SMD tantalum, okay? See all that squares. Okay guys, filtration is finished. So right now this is amount of solution which I got with the silver from this SMD Tantalum, and of course this is also inside not just nitric acid, it's a distillated water. I washed this filter about 3 times until I got everything from that slug. So you see that in the filter I got remains. If you can find a buyer for this kind of material, green dead, burn and green the tantalum dust, thumbs up for you. But if you don't have a buyer like me, this is just a waste. But today's video is about we find how much silver we have from this half kilogram tantalum, black tantalum SMD capacitor. So this time let's be that waste for me. But if you have a lot of tantalum, maybe you can find a buyer who buy that dust for a tantalum recycling, okay? So let's put that in the bigger vessel and drop some silver chloride with the kitchen salt. So let's go. Okay guys, so here in this jar I got kitchen salt. Just a normal kitchen salt, okay? So I add distillated water. You can use for drop silver chloride, you can use tap water, no problem. But when you do filtration, don't use the tap water because you will drop silver chloride with the tap water. Once again, this is dilute nitric acid, so I wash filter 3 times, so this is just maybe this amount of nitric acid and the rest is distillated water. But here in this jar I got dissolved kitchen salt, so see, it's not all dissolved. So right now we will drop silver chloride, and you see that this is one decent amount of silver chloride there. Let's mix that. See that? Well, this black SMD tantalum capacitor is pretty stocked with the silver. Pretty amazing, you see that? I didn't expect that much amount of silver, definitely. Very nice drop. Beautiful silver chloride drop. Big particles, you see that? Beautiful, beautiful. So right now what I'm gonna do, I decant that, wash that silver chloride in the water 2 or 3 times, then I will convert this silver chloride with caustic soda, sodium hydroxide, to pronounce that right for you, with caustic soda or sodium hydroxide, and convert that with the sugar. And after that I'm gonna see how much actually we got. Okay, so that very big amount of silver chloride. Beautiful. I didn't expect that. Okay guys, see this in this jar, and still in the wash in progress. Here I got some silver slug. Okay, let's remove that from the light. And see that? All that is a silver slug. Very, very big amount of silver. Very decent amount of silver. See that? I still have some water, so right now I add hot water, mix and leave for a couple hours to settle down. Then I repeat process until I got clean slug without clean silver, elemental silver without any sugar or caustic soda. Very, very nice amount of slug. So right now I will do that a couple of times. After that I will add that in a beaker for evaporation to dry all that powder, and we will put that on the scale to see how much is final result. Okay, see that? Beautiful. Okay guys, after dry all that silver elemental powder, here is my beaker and here is my silver. So see that? It's very pure. My beaker is dirty, never mind. Right now I got very decent amount of silver powder. Right now I will put that on the scale to see how much we got pure silver powder from half kilogram Black SMD Tantalum capacitor. And I think that the result is be very beautiful, and for me very strange. I never think that I got that much amount of silver. You see that? 37.7 gram. I still have some in a beaker from half kilogram Black SMD Tantalum capacitor. That is about 75 gram per kilogram. So maybe about 70 gram, 80 gram from kilogram capacitor, which is a very, very beautiful amount of silver. This kind of material, I never think that tantalum contain, SMD tantalum contain that much amount of silver. Okay, very, very beautiful.